everyone, welcome to KitchenTube HD. Today we're making upside down pineapple mini cakes. First, let's make the topping. In a saucepan, add light brown sugar and butter. Now cook until the sugar is melted. Now add canned pineapple juice. The sugar has melted. Let it cool down. Put it into a greased muffin tray. Next, sprinkle canned crushed pineapple. Next, I'm going to add glazed cherry in the middle. Keep this aside and let's get started with the cake. I preheated the oven at 180 degrees centigrade. First, sieve all the dry ingredients. All-purpose flour, baking powder and salt. Sieve it 2 or 3 times. Beat the egg whites until it's stiff. It's done. Keep it aside. Take a bowl. Next, add unsalted butter. Add powdered sugar. And beat. Beat until it's creamy. It's creamy. Add egg yolk. Beat. Next, add vanilla essence. If you want, you can add pineapple essence, but I'm using vanilla. Beat. Next, I'm going to add the dry ingredients. Add the canned pineapple juice alternately. First, 4 scoops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, add a little bit of pineapple juice. Next, add the next mixture. Next, add the pineapple juice. Ooh. Next, add the flour. Finally, add the egg whites. Mix. Next, add it to the muffin tray. Bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. I baked it for 25 minutes and the pineapple upside down mini cakes are ready. It looks awesome. Let's taste. Delicious. It's so moist and juicy. Thank you for watching KitchenTube HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow on Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KitchenTube. Bye.